Good morning guys, it's February the 3rd, I'm Henry Green from London Trading Group, and again I'm just going to run you through what I'm looking for in the markets today. So Eurodollar got up to that good zone that we were looking for yesterday. Let me just scroll across. So it got it up into my sell zone, so this is my sell zone that I'm looking for at the moment. This is the D, and actually it didn't quite get as deep as I'd like it to, so today I'm expecting a rally into sort of 109.57. It rarely doesn't get there, to be honest. It normally likes to complete a sequence and it will get up there. So I'm looking at a 109.60 area as a good potential sell zone, and that's what I'm looking for Euro. I don't expect it to break out, and if we're looking for good sell zones, then that's it. So 109.57 sell. I know that's exact, but that's the D up there, so that's why I'm looking for that one. And I expect Euro to rally until it gets there. We've made another higher low, and so this now could continue if it takes the highs out. So I like that up to 109.57, where I'll again be looking to sell that. And I believe on the daily, let me just check that. I believe on the daily, we've got we're running into the moving average as well. So I've got a good daily 100 moving average, which we're running into there as well. So cable's another good one. We've kind of come back all the way into the buy zone again for this one. We had this false breakout or freak out down here, which we broke lower. We got all the way down to 141.50. Has since rallied and broken back above this trend line. So yeah, I do expect this to rally again today. We had a nice close yesterday, I believe. Let me just check that. Yep, so we managed to close back above that 144 zone, so it's using that as support. So we talked about that as a key level down at 143.30. We bounced off that and we look like we're going to rally today. So the first target for me is between 144.85 and 145. So two good targets. I think 145 is probably the easier one to hit if it holds, and certainly I'll be looking for good areas to get into that. So confirmation if the risk to reward's correct, if you manage to get in through a 15-minute counter trend line break, or you look for good buyer support back down at sort of 143.40 area. So either way, I'd be looking to get into cable on the long side today potentially. So potentially we could see a Euro rally up into the 50 zone, and then maybe a sell-off. And cable so far we're looking at a potential rally into 145. Dollar yen, I think this is a really good area actually. So we have retraced. So this was just kind of just let this market go recover a little bit. We've kind of had this big push down after this massive spike up after the significant QE that Japan are going to have to continually to do. So we have hit the D on the downside. This two fib swing down is something that the dollar yen likes to do, and as such I have taken a small position in this long, giving it a nice big stop because I'm not sure my timing's correct, but I'm pretty sure that this is a good area that this market should hold in. So we've got the 200 moving average coming in. We've got the I've got this as a past market angle that's holding nicely, and yeah, it's the Fib D. So this is a lot of things have lined up with me for this one. So I've given it a nice wide stop, and I'm going to add through 75. So should this market get to 119.75, I'm looking to add to that position as well, and I'm looking to take this up. That'll be a nice risk to reward trade, and I think it's a good zone to buy dollar yen. On the day, yeah, we did close very bearishly yesterday, so that's the only thing I don't like about this. However, the 8s cross back over, so this could just be a catch up back up to the 8 EMA on the daily, and that's what I'm looking for that one. So the 8 and the 21 have crossed, and now we're just waiting for the 8 and 50 to cross on the daily before this becomes a true buy. So dollar CAD's another good one, another one I like. We've made this nice lower high here as well, so we could see this taken out now. So if you're going to take a small position in this now through 70, I think you've got to watch what happens at 65. I think that's quite a key zone in dollar CAD, so be wary of that level. But we are looking like we've bounced down here. So this 139 looks like a good bounce zone. However, yeah, we've actually on the daily we've kind of pulled back and hit the 127. So this target 131 on the day is still the one that is calling to be hit. So this could just be a pullback, and then we go again, and we go again lower. So again, this is driven by oil, but the technicals will drive this market, as I've always said. I prefer it to bounce off 60, and then we go back up and test sort of through the figure 141.20. That'll be my ideal sell zone. So if I get up to there, then I'll be looking to sell dollar CAD up at 149. 149.20 area. That's sorry, 149, 141.20 area. That's the area that I like that. So hopefully we bounce off here, and then we go higher, one more leg higher, and then I'll be looking to sell that because I think we've got a good level of sellers up there as well, and it makes sense that it could hold there. So Aussie, so we have broken through this counter trend line. Now this is back into my buy zone, the one that we talked about before, and I like this as a potential buy area down here. So this 71, well, I actually had 70.30 as the zone, so where we are now is a potential buy zone. So if we make a nice high low here on a 15-minute chart, maybe I'll look to take a small position in this one as well. I think Aussie could rally, and yeah, we've made a nice double bottom here. So we're through the lows, and we could now, we're through this low sequence down here, and we could now rally. And I like it all the way up to 71. Well, 71.80 I think is my target. So Let me just check that on the daily for you. So yeah, we had a big bearish day yesterday, so not something I particularly liked. I kind of identified this as potential sell zones. We are at the daily market angle, so just be wary of that. And yeah, I do feel that this is one I might not touch just because of that daily candle. So maybe we need another indecision day, and then we press higher tomorrow, which is probably what I'm going to look for. I don't think we get that bounce today. So Kiwi's another good one. If you kind of say that Kiwi's retraced to in between, sorry, the 618 and the 786, then this could be a nice one to kind of target back at these highs. So you might get a spike into sort of 65, 90, 66 area. And I think if you manage to get that last push, that last almost spike into that zone, then that's also a good sell zone for Kiwi. On the daily, we're back into that 65, 60 area. I talked about that before as a potential good sell zone. And yeah, I'm looking for this as well. So if you get back up there, I think that then that's kind of the top of its range, and then you see this sell off. If it closes like it's closed, then again we're back in a sort of, I'd like this as to potentially push high. Maybe you see the grind up to 66 and 66.30, but at the moment I think it's kind of, we're just in this range, and this is just going to be like maybe a blip higher, and then we're looking for selling opportunities. So that's what I'm looking for Kiwi. So yeah, I hope that's been useful, guys. One quick thing. On Friday, our head trader Andy Demi is giving a seminar on Friday evening. So I'll put the details in the description below, but please come along to that. So that's on our trading floor where I am sat at the moment in Moorgate in London. So it'd be great to have you there. It starts at about 6:30, I believe, but I'll put all the details below. Click subscribe to never miss a video again, and I'm going to head over to the virtual trading floor. So please come and join me there. Happy trading, and I hope that's been useful. Thank you.